How to fix microphone not working in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix microphone not working on your laptop. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First step is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you should find an option that says Sounds. Head over there. Now, there are two different options here. The first one is Output, the other is Input. Since we are looking for a microphone, we'll just focus on the Input section. Now here, you'll need to make sure that the device you have selected is your device that you want. That is, it can be your default Windows microphone, or it can just be any other microphone that you connect to. So you select that from here, choose a device, and after you've done that, you can see the volume as well. You can turn this volume all the way up, and after you've turned it all the way up, check if if it works. If it does not work again, what you can do is head down to the advanced section. You'll find more sound settings. Expand on that, and after you here, you can see different options again. You can see playback. Head over to the recording section. Under the recording section, you'll find different microphones. Select your default or select your Windows or your laptop's microphone. And finally, set it as default. After you set it as default, you can then head over to its properties. Then you can see different options again from here. Make sure everything here is now well leveled. So you can turn this up all the way as well. And under the advanced section, make sure that your default format is set to default as well. You can also disable audio enhancements to set it at normal settings, and then finally tap on apply and then tap on OK. Do the same here and then your problem should be fixed. If only certain apps or certain websites are not working with your microphone, what you'll need to do is you'll need to check your privacy and security. So back where you were on settings, head over to this privacy and security section. And right here, you can scroll down until you see app permissions. And there you'll find microphone. Tap on microphone, and there you will find different apps and different features which access your microphone. Now, let's say that your ChatGPT is not being able to access your microphone. So all you have to do is turn this on. Doing that will fix your problem, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and goodbye.